Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Honda Civic brake fluid. First, understand that brake fluid is hygroscopic, meaning it absorbs moisture over time, which can reduce braking performance and damage components. This moisture lowers the fluid's boiling point, leading to a spongy pedal feel and potential brake fade. Replacing it regularly ensures your braking system remains reliable and safe, protecting vital parts from corrosion and wear. Before you begin, ensure you have all the necessary tools. You'll need at least 2 liters of fresh DOT3 or DOT4 brake fluid, a clear hose, a collection bottle, and a 10mm wrench for the bleeder valves. Always wear safety glasses and gloves. Park your car on a level surface, set the parking brake, and then safely raise it on jack stands. Remember, brake fluid can damage paint, so cover your fenders. Start by removing the master cylinder cap and extracting as much old fluid as possible with a turkey baster. Then, fill the reservoir with new DOT3 or DOT4 fluid to the maximum line. The bleeding sequence typically begins at the right rear wheel, then the left rear, followed by the right front, and finally the left front. With an assistant pumping the brake pedal, open the bleeder valve for a few seconds, then close it before the pedal reaches the floor. Repeat until clear fluid appears. Throughout the bleeding process, it is crucial to keep the master cylinder reservoir topped off with new fluid to prevent air from entering the system. Once all 4 wheels are bled and the fluid runs clear, ensure the brake pedal feels firm before driving. Reinstall your wheels, torquing the lug nuts to the manufacturer's specifications, typically around 80 foot-pounds. Finally, remember to dispose of the old brake fluid responsibly at an approved facility.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.